Starting an online business in the middle of a pandemic. Hi, I'm Walter Weyburn. Welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. So you want to know how to start an online business in the middle of a pandemic? Stick around, we're going to talk about it. It's easier than ever. Now, I know a lot of people's going to be saying that they don't have the money to start a business. This method does not require 1 red cent. All it takes is a little time. What you can do, there's a lot of people saying that they're homeless, they don't have a job, they can't afford to start a business. That excuse does not work on this. You can do it. Anyone can do this. You can be sitting on the beach and do this. You can be sitting inside the mall and doing it. You can be sitting on a park bench and doing it. As long as you've got a cell phone, a laptop, an internet connection, there's no excuse. You can do it, and it don't cost anything. Have you ever heard of that company, they always on TV commercials, Wayfair? You can be just like that company, and they make millions of dollars a year. Now, can you scale that big? Yeah, you can. It's going to take a long time and a lot of patience. But you can make a decent living doing what they're doing. Wayfair is a drop shipping company. They do not warehouse their products. When you order from them, they reorder it from somewhere else and have it sent to you. They are a drop shipping company, and I want to show you how easy it is for you to do this. Okay, you can do it 2 different ways. One way is build a website, and you can build a website free on Wix. They are free websites, very easy to make. Then you need to go to Amazon. Find products that you like. Find products that sell good and have a good margin. Save those products to your computer so you can always get back to them easy. Take the pictures, the description, and put it on your website. And set your own price where you can make a small profit. Now, you're going to do this about 30 or 40 times. Get 30 or 40 different products. Put it on your website. When people comes to your website that you built for free and orders a product, you need to go to Amazon and order that product. And instead of having it sent to you, have it sent to their address. You've already made the money, you've already made the profit. So with that profit, you are now fighting your way up out of being broke. Okay, that is the website method. There is another method that you can do it without a website, and it's very easy. The same process. Go to Amazon, 30 or 40 products, save them to your computer. Then open yourself an eBay account. Put those products on eBay. When people comes to your eBay store and buys a product, then you, in return, go to Amazon, same as before, purchase that product and have it sent to your customer. This is so easy, y'all, and it's called drop shipping, and it's done every day by millions of people. Why can't that person be you? A lot of people does not start an online business out of fear of failure. Well, let me tell you, if you don't start, if you don't try, you've already failed. And you're going to always be wondering, could I have done it? You'll never know until you try. And it's very easy. Y'all, if you've never seen the video that Steve Harvey done, Jump, please look it up on here on YouTube and watch that video. It will inspire you to jump and build something for yourself. With everything going the way it is right now, with the stimulus, we don't know if we're going to get a stimulus check or not. You need to start an online business, online hustle, whatever you want to call it, to take care of yourself. And when this happens again, you're sitting pretty. You don't need a stimulus check then, because you're taking care of yourself. I know there's a lot of excuses out there not to do this, but I can debunk every one of those excuses. So put your excuses in my comments. The fact that you may be homeless, my heart goes out to you. But that's no excuse, because if you're commenting on this video, that tells me you've either got a cell phone or you've got a laptop and you do have internet connection. That's all you need for this. It does work. There are people that's doing this and they're making 6-figure incomes. Will you make a 6-figure income? Maybe not. Those people are few and far between, but you will make a decent living. People's going to say you can't make good money on eBay. That's wrong. Look up here on YouTube, eBay sellers. There's people on there making 6 figures a year. I used to always say that they're lying. They can't be making that much money. Then I started really watching them, watching what they're doing, and they are making that money. And you can too. If you don't make 6 figures, you will make a decent living. But you won't make any money until you try. Y'all, if you don't get anything from me, please get this. Start your online hustle, your online business, whatever you want to call it. And this could be a full-time career. It's all up to you on how you want to pursue it. If you look at it as an online career and you really work it 8 hours a day like you would a job, when this is all over and jobs are available, you don't need a job because you have a career at home. Wouldn't that be wonderful? You can do it. I have faith in you. You just have to try. And if online business is not what you really want to do, then you can start a service business. You can cut grass in the neighborhood. You can clean people's roofs off. You can babysit, take in ironing, take in laundry. You can clean houses, clean office buildings. Everything out there needs to be cleaned. One time I was working at a hospital in environmental service. The first day on the job, the department head took me up to the 5th floor of the hospital into the waiting room. We walked over to the window. He said, "Walter, look out there. What do you see?" "I just see a lot of buildings and a lot of houses." He said, "It's more than that." He says, "Everything you see out there has to be cleaned. Somebody has to clean it." He said, "Promise me today that you will not be stuck in this hospital working in environmental service. Learn what you can and start your own business." He said, "The money is in your own business." And I took his advice on that. I had a cleaning business where I was cleaning offices. I had like 11 office buildings that I cleaned every night of the week. That business made me a lot of money. I had a partner, and the partner ended up taking the business. And I wanted out, so he took the business. But it's a very good business to start. Now that business does take a little money because you have to be bonded, you have to have your equipment. But I'm just telling you, there is service businesses out there that don't take any money. If you've got a lawnmower, a gallon of gas will cut somebody's yard. That's $20. That's groceries tonight. Y'all, please start something. I'm going to start posting videos on here with ideas of how to make money during a pandemic. There's so many ways to make money. You just have to want to. The toughest thing in the world to face is regret. When you're 90 years old, don't be sitting in a wheelchair in a nursing home with a regret, wondering, what if? What if I started that business? Where would I be today? Don't end up like that. Start your own business today. Y'all please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, watch the video that's popping up here now, and just know I love you all, and with the grace of God we will get out of this. And I pray when you start your business that it will be successful. And if you work it, it will be successful. I love you all. Until next time, ciao.